This episode of Roofing University is brought to you by Canada Go Green, the 4-season solar vent.
Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun. Na 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 na. Roofing is fun.
I'm Joshua Bigger with Bigger Roofing. Today at Bigger Roofing, we're going to be installing a diamond shingle against a brick wall. No need for step flashing. This shingle will become its own step flashing. Simply measure the distance from the wall into the setting point of your shingle, which looks to be about 11 1/4. We'll find our measurement from the wall is 11 1/4. Take your clip out like so. And find where your mark is there. See right there? Here's your bend mark. 4 inches higher for your step flash piece. Here's your cut line. There you are. Now just take your folds out like so. I like to cut all the sharp edges off here, so. And since this is going to be hidden flashing, you can use a hammer to really flatten that edge out so it sits nicely against the wall. So that's our bend mark. We're going to cut any folds that are obstructing its bend. Take that out like so. So just give a little cut here. That's going to make it easier for folding. Yep, here we are. And that's going to sit perfectly right there. Got this clip that I took off earlier right here. Make sure you cut the crotch out like that. Both sides. Make sure you got it right where you want it. And then we'll put another one just to get some more stability right down here. And there you have it. Step flash, it rolls right off the roof. Until next time. Big time!
Na 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 na. Roofing is fun. Na 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 na.